creators, and friends of White Party Manila, fans, and everyone who took the time to be with us today. Thank you. Your presence here means so much because tonight is not just a media launch. Tonight is a reminder that some legends never truly disappear. Sometimes they simply wait for the right moment to return. And after 12 years, that moment is finally here. We are bringing back White Party Manila. And this time, we are bringing it back bigger, bolder, and with deeper purpose. This year, White Party Manila returns as Reignite, happening on June 27, 2026 at the World Trade Center. It will be more than just an event. It will be a one-night experience created for people to celebrate freely, safely, and proudly. We are creating a space where you can feel safe, where you can be seen, where you can be whoever you are, and where you can celebrate without fear. A space where music, fashion, creativity, advocacy, and community come together. I also want to take this moment to thank my mentor family. Since 2008, we have been working, creating, producing, and building experience that bring people together. Through the years, Mentor has grown not only as a production company, but as a family driven by passion, purpose, and belief that every project we do should leave a mark. To everyone who has been part of Mentor's journey, our team, our partners, collaborators, artists, creatives, suppliers, and friends, maraming salamat po. The work we have done since 2008 has brought us to this moment. White Party Manila Reignite is not just another event for us. It is a continuation of everything we built, everything we believed in, and everything we still want to do for the community. And with the expertise and creative vision of Bang Pineda as our overall creative director, we know that this will truly be a night to remember. Bang has always been known for his boldness, his artistry, and his ability to transform ideas into unforgettable experiences. With him leading the creative direction, White Party Manila Reignite will not just only honor the legacy of White Party, it will also introduce it to a new generation. Tonight, I also want to give our heartfelt thanks to our ambassadors, creators, and supporters who continue to use their platforms to inspire, empower, and bring people together. You are not only faces of this event, you are voices of a community that deserves to be heard, respected, and celebrated. And of course, this comeback would not be complete without our long-time partner and beneficiary. Give hands to Love Yourself. To Doc Vin and the entire Love Yourself family, maraming salamat. Thank you for your hard work and dedication, your compassion, and your commitment to bringing Love Yourself to where it is today. Through the years, you have helped more than 25,000 lives. You have given hope, care, dignity, and support to so many people who needed it the most. Your work reminds us that advocacy is not just about words. It is about action. It is about showing up. It is about building spaces, spreading awareness, and creating programs that truly change lives. This year, as a community, we are asking everyone to come together so that Love Yourself can do even more. Through White Party Manila Reignite, proceeds from the event will help support their projects, programs, and future endeavors, allowing them to further reach and continue the important work they do for our community. Because our community is everywhere. We are artists, we are leaders, we are creators, we are entrepreneurs, we are professionals, and we are advocates. And also, we are one of the shapers and movers of this country. And White Party Manila is where they will see us united, not just to be seen, but for our value to be felt. After 12 years, White Party Manila returns a renewed purpose. We return not only to celebrate, but to stand together. We return not only for one unforgettable night, but for a cause that will continue beyond the event. So to everyone here tonight, the press, our partners, ambassadors, and our friends, the Love Yourself family, to my mentor family, thank you for believing in this comeback. Let us celebrate with pride. Let us move with purpose. Let us show the world the power of unity. This is White Party Manila Reignite. This is our comeback. And together, we unite in White Manila. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.